Hello, my name is Katie Weaver and this is my screencast assignment. I'm going to be talking today about PhET simulators. So the University of Colorado at Boulder has started a project that is basically called PhET Interactive Simulations. These interactions provide hands-on help in many different subject areas, from physics and chemistry to earth science and math. And let's go ahead and check this out. Here is the link to the PhET simulators. Go ahead and click on that. And here we go. Here is the website. As you can see, there's many different subjects that we can use for these simulators. There's physics and chemistry, math, earth science, and biology. You can also filter out your options based upon what you're looking for, what you'd like to study. Just to kind of give you a little oversight, let's take a look at some good stuff for chemistry, and we'll go into general chemistry. I think that this is a great PhET simulator, Build a Molecule. You can go ahead and click on that and then just press the play button and it'll automatically take you into the simulator. Once it loads, hopefully it'll load here, there we go. You'll see just how you can use this simulator to help you have a better understanding of how to build a molecule. Just like we're doing in our chemistry and cooking assignment for this interactive lesson plan, you can either do a single molecule or multiple molecules, or you can just enter the playground, but we'll just do the single. So you can basically click on any element that you want and add it to the board, and as you add more and more, you will be able to see what you've made. And here we've made water, and you can also click on a 3D representation of water and spin it around as you like to have a better view of what's going on, as well as a ball and stick model, which is super helpful to kind of help you understand bond angles and what's going on in this molecule. Then if you click to the next, then you have different atoms that you can work with, and you can put them together in different ways, different bonds, and then you can make different molecules. There's hydrogen peroxide, and we can look at it in 3D form and just a ball form. And so yeah, you can use this for many different molecules. You can also go into the multiple molecules or the playground mode, which gives you a whole bunch of different options for you to play around with this simulator and gives you a good representation of what molecules are like. So let's go back into the PowerPoint here. Once again, like I said, this was created by the University of Colorado at Boulder, so it's a reputable source. It's actually touching on, in Bloom's taxonomy, creativity, evaluation, and analysis, as well as understanding. So there's clear learning objectives when you use this PhET simulator. And in the classroom, I would obviously give an alternative handout that my students would be able to fill out and have a clearer learning objective when we're using these simulators. This is continuing to be developed by many different educators, many different subject areas and different scenarios. So it's continually evolving, which I also think is a great tool, because it's very recent, it's very relevant, and it can be very, very helpful for my students. The requirements, you do need a computer or a tablet, obviously. I think you can even use it on your smartphone, and it's cool because you don't actually need to have online capabilities. It can run offline. You do need the mobility of fingers and arms in order to click around, but it's also super helpful and very transparent in its uses, because there's many different languages that the simulation can be translated into, and it also can be utilized for students who have different disabilities. It can be translated text to speech and other different capabilities. So it is very usable for all students, all different students. Like I said, it does have very current content. The 4 E's, this tool is definitely relevant, and it will help students to be successful with different learning objectives. And like I mentioned, it can be used for a variety of different learners and ability levels. I do believe that this resource helps students save time just for the pure fact that they don't have to draw out some of these difficult molecules. They can actually visualize them in 3D space. And once again, I think that this is also saving them energy. They don't have to continually write and rewrite and redraw molecules. They can actually see them in 3D space. I think that this definitely allows students to explore this topic, whether it be molecules, chemistry, physics, in a way that's completely impossible without this simulation. And I think that this also helps them represent their learning in a way that is, you just can't do it without this simulation, so it's really cool. Also, this is a great resource for students to work in teams and to solve problems in pairs and collaborate with their peers. Also, obviously, this entire simulation, all of the simulations are interactive and purposeful and directly related to learning. So this is my little overview on the PhET simulators. I hope that my students take the opportunity to explore and check these things out, and I will direct you guys at a later time and date so that you are able to get the benefits of using this simulator. And I hope you have a great day. That's all.